In today's video, we check out again my KTM390 Duke. I took it for some few repairs which I got from a recent accident on track. But first,
이거 봐. 이거 봐. 이거 쏴. 이거 쏴.
first time I crashed was at the Whistling Moran track, where you can be able to train and get skills on how to be a good racer. Whistling Moran is located at the river, where all bikers meet up to showcase their skills. Anyone can come at Whistling Moran, whether you have a 125cc Ndudi, whether you have a 400cc, a 650 plus, 800, 1000cc super bikes, even cruisers are allowed to come there. So I broke my gear lever, which I had it replaced. The handlebars also was damaged a bit. Some paint, the frame, and also the engine was bruised a bit. And that's why it's very important to have crash bars on your bike and also on the engine, so that the damages like this can be avoided. The mechanic who helped me is a very good guy and a master at his work, and is located at the Madaraka estate along Langata Road, just next to the flyover at Nairobi West. So I replaced a few things simply because I want my bike to look more orange. You know, like they say, orange is the new black. The gear lever was the biggest loss I encountered on my bike, because I lost a genuine part of the bike. When I ordered one online, unfortunately it arrived and oops, it was not fitting in the bike, and I had to order another one. But thanks to the advice from other bikers, I checked my bike model number, and that's how I got to order the correct gear lever. Everything on this bike was stock, so any modifications I did, I made sure to keep the originals, just in case I decide to sell the bike in the near future, so that its market value does not drastically drop, since KTMs are really on demand. I also changed the tail tidy and put on a short one that made the bike look more mean and manly. The exhaust also had to go since I like noise, and the exhaust was not doing me any justice. So I bought a Krapovich one, and I don't regret it. The sound was amazing, still is. It's been a great year since I bought this bike. I bought it at 5,000 kilometers on it, and while still new, it runs well and it has never had any mechanical problems before. I always take it for service on time and always keep it clean and checkups after every ride. The way you treat your bike, it's the way the bike will treat you back. That's definite. And I can't wait to move up to 650 or maybe even an 800cc in the near future. But for now, let me just enjoy my KTM390 Duke. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.